Hi, I'm Katie Hendricks, and I'm here exploring our integrity deck with you, which I really love having. In addition to the handout that we made many years ago about the 4 pillars of integrity, the integrity deck is designed to allow you to engage your whole brain and your whole body in exploring ways of aligning that allow you to move through your life with harmony. And the one we're exploring today in the area of agreements, which has a wonderful collage on it, which I think you'll enjoy. I follow my body signals that let me know I don't want to make a particular agreement. And the question is, how can I easily say no to agreements that I don't want to make? This one has been very important to me because I had a habit that I call the oh sure habit. Someone would say, can you? And I would go, oh sure, kind of reflexively without even checking. Is this something that I clearly want to do or I don't want to do? And we've explored how you can recognize your yes signals in your body, but I think it's equally as important to be able to get the message of, is this a no for me? Our logical mind wants to jump in here and say, oh, this would be good for you and it won't take very much time, or they deserve a second chance, or all of these kinds of things that I think are primarily run by fear. But if you notice in your body what might be contracting, that's for me a signal that my body is closing up, and it might be a very subtle signal. So I have a little kind of pulling back that happens behind my ears. I think other people, you might have a sense of closing your chest, or having a closing in your belly, or gripping in your toes. So I invite you to explore things that you know that you don't like or you don't want to do, and then you ask yourself, do I want to do this? And then you listen to, does that response come up in your body? For example, going in front of your closet or looking at a menu, and you say, do I want this? And then you notice, is there a part of your body that closes? It could be in your throat. It may not be a very big signal, but my sense is that there's a pulling back from this, and that for me indicates no. And here's what takes the big courage move, which is to actually say, no. No, I don't want to do that. No, this doesn't work for me. Then I suggest you take a breath and you let yourself notice what happens with your partner or the other person or the group, and you let yourself be with your no. Because I found that often after I've been with no, I don't want to do this, a yes of another kind opens up. And here's a whole other possibility, or here's what I would like to do, or no, this doesn't work for me for this week, but next week I do have an open space for that. I find it really important to open up to the no, because if I don't say it forthrightly and clearly, I'm going to sabotage in some way what I have agreed to that my body doesn't really want to do. And for me, it would be forgetting, it would be overriding the no in some way. So I invite you to include no in your exploration of agreements and see what that leads to in the flow of aliveness for you. Thanks for exploring.